Kolhapuri Chappal, the iconic handcrafted leather sandals from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, are celebrated for their durability, comfort and unique craftsmanship.
सभी जगह जाओगे कोल्हापुरी सभी लोग पहनते हैं, वर्ल्ड फेमस है ये सब।
These sandals have a rich history intertwined with the region's artisanal heritage and gained prominence during the support of Shahuji Maharaj, the progressive ruler of Kolhapur. Shahuji Maharaj was a visionary leader known for his commitment to social reform and the upliftment of the marginalized communities, particularly the Chamar and the Maratha artisans skilled in leatherwork. Understanding the value of traditional crafts, he actively promoted the art of making Kolhapuri chappals, empowering local artisans to sustain their craft. His patronage not only provided economic stability to these craftsmen, but also transformed leatherworking into a respectable and sustainable occupation.
ये कोल्हापुरी चप्पल तो बहुत सालों से चलता आ रहा है ना। अभी इसका इतिहास का कम से कम हमारे बाप दादाजी सब यही करते थे ना। कम से कम ये अभी 200-300 साल हो गया है उसको चप्पल। ये कोल्हापुरी पहले चामड़े का चप्पल था ना, अभी इसका नाम अभी कोल्हापुरी पड़ गया है। अभी इसका नाम कोल्हापुरी इसलिए है कि ये चमड़े का जो चप्पल है ना, ये सिर्फ कोल्हापुर में ही बनता है अभी, इसलिए उसको कोल्हापुरी बोलते हैं।
The Chamar community of Kolhapur has a rich tradition of crafting Kolhapuri chappals, known for their detailed leatherwork and durability. These artisans create footwear that is appreciated both in India and around the world, blending traditional skills with a unique sense of style. Their work is a source of pride and an important part of their cultural heritage. The community takes inspiration from Guru Ravidas, a 15th century saint revered by leather workers. His teachings on hard work, equality and self-respect resonate strongly with the Chamar artisans. By embracing the values of Guru Ravidas, they continue to excel in their craft, contributing to the cultural and economic vibrancy of Kolhapur.
हमारा कास्ट है हिंदू चामार, चामार बोलते हैं ना, उसी कास्ट का है हम सब। चमार मतलब वो कम से कम 2-4 साल से वो चमड़े का जो काम करता है उसको चमार बोलते हैं। ये हर स्टेट में है, अभी सभी जगह है।
Kolhapuri chappals are renowned handcrafted leather sandals, celebrated for their durability, comfort and the distinct clapping sound, which holds both practical and cultural significance, particularly in rural Maharashtra. The unique clap is believed to help deter snakes and small animals, as rhythmic noise alerts wildlife to human presence, offering safety for those walking through the fields or dense vegetation.
जंगल में जाओगे तो वो कर 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 बजता है ना, उसके जानवर भाग जाता था। वो ये सांप बिच्छू कर 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 आवाज से वो भाग जाते थे।
This sound has become a cultural symbol of Kolhapur region, often linked to the traditional attire and the warrior spirit of the Marathas, and serves as a non-verbal way of announcing one's arrival in the rural communities. The distinctive clap is a result of expert craftsmanship, where artisans use high-quality leather and hand-stitching techniques, with sandals loose fit and flat soles, creating the signature sound as they strike the ground. The creation of a Kolhapuri chappal begins with a careful selection of premium buffalo or goat leather, known for its durability and flexibility. The leather undergoes a traditional vegetable tanning process, using natural tannins from tree bark, strengthening the material while preserving its softness and suppleness.
पहले अभी क्या होता है, पहला वो खाली बड़ा बड़ा चमड़ा आता है, उसके बाद उसका साँचे में उसको कटिंग करने का, फिर उसको घिसने का, फिर उसके बाद उसको चिपकाने का, खाली सोल अलग बनाने का बॉटम, उसके बाद उसको चिपका के सिलाई में भेज देने का बाहर।
The stitching process is the most intricate, with artisans using thick durable thread to hand sew the components, incorporating detailed motifs and decorative patterns that showcase their exceptional skill. The soles are then molded to follow the natural contours of the foot, providing both comfort and resilience. After assembly, the straps are securely attached with additional stitching to ensure durability and structural integrity. The chappals are polished, dyed for rich color, and treated with natural oils to give them the lustrous finish and enhance water resistance. Each pair undergoes a thorough quality control inspection, ensuring that the craftsmanship meets the highest standards. Finally, the chappals are carefully shaped for optimal comfort and packaged with great attention to detail. The entire process takes approximately 15 days, requiring immense skill, patience, and dedication at each step. This painstaking craftsmanship, passed down through generations, reflects the artistry and the commitment of the artisans, preserving the legacy of Kolhapuri chappal as a timeless symbol of heritage and durability. Kolhapuri chappal, handcrafted by over 10,000 artisans in Kolhapur, are sold at varying price depending on their design and craftsmanship. Due to strong and consistent demand, these sandals typically sell within days to weeks, with popularity extending both locally and internationally. The supply is robust, with artisans producing an estimated 10,000 to 15,000 pairs daily, totaling around 3 lakh to 4 lakh 50,000 pairs per month, and approximately 3.6 to 5.4 million pairs annually. This high production rate meets the ever-growing demand, sustaining the livelihoods of thousands of artisans, ensuring the continued legacy of Kolhapuri chappal in global markets.
कोल्हापुर में अभी कोल्हापुरी का नाम पहले से ज़्यादा मार्केट है। अभी कोल्हापुरी माल बाहर भी जा रहा है, एक्सपोर्ट पे हो रहा है, और अभी कोल्हापुरी पहनने का हर फंक्शन में कोल्हापुरी अभी ज़्यादा मार्केट है। इसको पहले से अच्छा है मार्केट का कुछ नहीं, बहुत जितना माल हो जाता है ना, अभी हमारे यहाँ कम से कम एक महीने में 1,500 जोड़ी बनता है, लेकिन सभी चला जाता है।
The production of the Kolhapuri chappal faces significant challenges, starting with the scarcity of high-quality leather due to environmental regulation and livestock shortages. This limits the availability of materials and increases cost. The traditional handcrafted process is highly labor-intensive, with each pair taking up to 15 days to create, which makes it difficult for artisans to compete with the mass-produced machine-made footwear that is cheaper and faster to produce. Machine-made chappals lack the intricate hand stitching and detailing that gives Kolhapuri chappal their unique identity.
एक चप्पल बनाने को 15 दिन लगता है प्योर कोल्हापुर चप्पल बनाने के लिए। हल्का वाला बनता है एक 2 दिन में बनता है, लेकिन प्योर चप्पल 15 दिन 20 दिन बनता है। ये देखो, कम से कम 20 दिन बनता है इसको बनाने के लिए। ये हैंडमेड है, हाथ से बनाता है। ये बेचने के लिए कम से कम 8 दिन 10 दिन लगता है। ये अच्छा वाला पहनते नहीं कौन लोग। अगर ये दिखाना है आपको, कम से कम 3,500-4 हज़ार रुपये मिलता है। वो क्या है, वो मद्रास पैटर्न जो चमड़ा रहता है वो अलग रहता है, और प्योर कोल्हापुरी चमड़ा रहता है ये रहता है, प्योर भैंस का चमड़ा रहता है।
Another problem is the decline in craftsmanship, as younger generations move away from artisanal work, seeking modern jobs instead. The rise of counterfeit chappal made from inferior material further damages the reputation of authentic Kolhapuri chappals. Additionally, the imported leather from regions like Madras, Kanpur and Tamil Nadu has increased the production cost and may not always match the quality of locally sourced leather.
ये सब मैंने हाथ से बनाया हुआ है। ये अभी मेरे सिवाय कोई नहीं बनाता है इधर। ये देखो जारा वाला चप्पल, ये 5-6 साल तक चलेगा ये चप्पल कम से कम। इसका वजन कितना है देखो।
Sunil, a skilled artisan of Kolhapuri chappal, takes immense pride in his craft. Unlike machine-made versions, his chappals are entirely handcrafted.
लेकिन ये क्या है, ये इसलिए बनाते हैं कि खेतों में जाएंगे तो काटा बेटा नहीं चुभेगा। खिला भी अगर इसमें घुस जाएगा ना तो खिला भी टेढ़ा हो जाएगा। ये लोखंड का जैसा हो जाएगा। ये जब चप्पल तैयार हो जाएगा ना, ये पूरा लोखंड का जैसा हो जाएगा। वो ऐसा कितना भी जोर से तुम अगर उसको दबाओगे तो हिलेगा नहीं। ऐसा है ये चप्पल।
Showcasing intricate designs and traditional techniques passed down through generations. Each pair reflects authenticity, durability and timeless heritage of Kolhapur.
नए जो लड़के आ रहे हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करते अभी। उसको जो ये जो काम है ना, उसको पूरा हाथ से बनाना पड़ता है, उसमें मशीन नहीं लगता है। वो जितना भी आप हार्ड करेंगे ना, ये सब बदन दुखने लगता है। इसके लिए अभी उसको नहीं कहीं करता है ये चमड़े का काम, सब अभी मशीन।
Today, despite the influx of mass-produced imitations, authentic handmade Kolhapuri chappals remains a celebrated craft. They embody centuries of traditions, skilled artistry and timeless elegance. Each pair is a testament of India's rich cultural heritage, blending traditional techniques with a touch of enduring style. The legacy of Shauji Maharaj's support endures as Kolhapuri chappals continues to be cherished not just as a footwear, but as a timeless piece of art that carry the spirit of India's artisanal legacy forward.
Want us to tell your story? Drop in a message and we will have it covered. You can check out our website www.ragaproductions.com or reach us out on Instagram or Facebook. Raga Productions, helping you create eternal memories. See you next week.